Hello everybody, my name is Mayank Kargidi and welcome to this Odoo tutorial. In this video, today we explore a bakery industry or biscuit manufacturing industry. In today's video, whether you are running a restaurant, a biscuit shop or a bakery, this video will help you to manage your daily manufacturing or selling operations, to manage raw materials, to manage easy orders delivered. Okay, so before we start our transactions, let's see how we can install the industry. Okay, so through app store we click on the here industry here and we type a bakery. See, the module is available. I already installed this module, so instead of install we see here grade button, upgrade. Okay, so after the install button, after the click on the install button, you can install the complete industry in the database. Now there is a two scenario in a bakery industry. One is easy order management, right, and another one is a manufacturing of biscuits and the bakery products. Okay, so how we can do? Okay, for that Odoo provide two different application. One is point of sale, another one is sales. Okay, first we go with the POS. Means in this scenario, consider that the stock is already available in our shop. Our customer is came to order and we delivered. How we can manage within a minute? Let's see. Okay, so we click on the point of sale. This session is already started, so we select on continue selling. New order. Okay, this one is the new order. You can see here the multiple order number. Okay, now we order, our customer is order cookies and baguette. Okay, these two things. So just we click on this product and you can see the product is already automatically added in our order list. Now there is the two scenario. One is the customer is no regular customer, or one is the first time customer. So through this button, right here you can see all the contacts which are our regular customer or which already purchased. But if if the customer is new, you can create through this button customer. You can create a customer through this button. Okay, we go with the already connected with this. Now once we add the products in these, we just click on the payment button. Yeah, and see here there is a three right now payment method is available. Okay, one is a cash, card and customer account. Okay, so here we can manage the payment method also. Okay, in this scenario we go with the cash and validate it. Boom, save. Now the complete beautiful receipt is generated with the order, with the all details. Okay, and we can send it to customer's mail ID. This receipt, if customer wants soft copy, we can mail it. Okay, and once the order cycle is done, we can create new order with this big button. Okay, so this is how you see how easy we manage the POS order in a POS application. Okay, now we check the another scenario. We go to the backend. Okay, now we can run the second scenario, which is we get order. We have to arrange the raw material, we have to manufacturing, and we have to deliver. in single example, I will show you how we can manage it for a business bakery industry. So we go with the sales, and before that I'll show the stock of the product. Okay, see, almond croissant right now 2 is available, means okay, in our stock you can see here you can manage all the quantity, all these stock quantities with the soil inventory valuation. Okay, so we create a new, go with the customer 3, product is almond, and here our quantity is 5. Okay, 5 right now in stock is 2, and we get order from 5 quantity. Okay, so what system will do, once we confirm the order, system will raise some relevant document or transaction. Let's see. Okay, see, one delivery for a product delivered to customer, 3 purchase and 1 manufacturing order. 3 purchase means the we have 2 in stock, and 3 is not for 3 croissant manufacturing raw material we needed, which is not available in stock. So we go with the purchase. Here purchase, you can see there is a 3 is available. I'll go with the PO. See, sugar is not available, means the system already created one purchase order. The second one is baking powder and butter, and the third one is flour, right? So these 3 things required for manufacturing, we just validate it or received it. Okay, baking powder and butter is available. Now next one is received and validated. Sugar is available, and would quickly receive the flour. Yeah, so now raw materials, sufficient raw materials is available, so it's time for manufacturing. So this is our sales order. We directly enter in a manufacturing order. Now see, the all materials is available. Okay, so we plan it and produce it, right? So the 5 croissants are available, manufacturing production is done. Okay, so now we go to the sales order again, and now third one is ready croissant delivered to customer, right? So see, croissant is available, and we just click on single plate, validate it, and the almond croissant is delivered. We can create a invoice from this single screen, invoice, create, and the price and all things are available, and just confirm it, done. So you see how it is easy to manage the manufacturing order and deliver to customer. You can manage sell order, manufacturing order, PO, inventory, and POS at same platform. Okay, I know you have one doubt how the product bill of material we can manage. Okay, so let's come to this. I'll show you in a manufacturing application, in a product bill of material. Okay, so here you can see we can manage the bill of material also with the relevant quantity and operations, how we can manage. Okay, so you see how Odoo make it smooth and easy for all the transactions we can manage. I hope this video will help you and informational to connect your business industry to Odoo. If you have any query or concern, just comment us in this video. We will reach out. Okay, thank you.